Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging and MDCAT MCQs to sharpen your biology knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQ is which of the following viruses is known for causing hepatitis and is transmitted primarily through blood? A. Hepatitis A, B, hepatitis B, C, hepatitis E, D, hepatitis D. So the correct option is B. Hepatitis B. The next MCQ is which of the following viral families include viruses that cause chickenpox and shingles? A. Herpes viridia. B. Picorna viridia. C. Retroviria. And D. Arthomoxo viridia. So the correct option is A. Which of the following is a common method for preventing viral infection? A. Vaccination. B. Antiviral drugs. C. Antibiotics. D. Antifungal agents. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is which of the following virus is associated with causing viral conjunctivitis? Pink eye. A. Adrenovirus. B. Hepatitis B virus. C. Herpes simplex virus. D. Influenza virus. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is which type of virus use reverse transcription to replicate its genome? A. Retrovirus. B. Hepandavirus. D. Arthomozovirus. And D. Picornavirus. So the correct option is A. Which of the following is a primary target for antiviral drugs that inhibit viral replication? A. Viral envelope proteins. B. Horse cell ribosomes. D. Viral nucleic acid. D. Horse cell DNA polymerase. So the correct option is C. Which of the following viruses is known for causing severe liver disease and is transmitted through contaminated food? A. Hepatitis B. B. Hepatitis C. C. Hepatitis A. D. Hepatitis D. So the correct option is hepatitis A. The next MCQ is which of the following is a common feature of RNA viruses with a helical symmetry? A. They have an envelope. B. They have a spherical shape. C. They replicate in the cytoplasm. D. They have a complex capsid structure. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which of the following viruses is known for causing progressive multifocal leukoencephalopathy, PML, in immunocompromised individuals? A. Jesse virus. B. Epstein-Barr virus. C. Cytomegalovirus. And D. Varicella zoster virus. So the correct option is A. Which of the following is a characteristic of envelope virus? A. They lack a protein coat. B. They have a lipid membrane derived from the host cell. C. They are resistant to heat and drying. D. They do not have nucleic acid. So the correct option is B. Which of the following viruses is associated with the development of Kaposi sarcoma in immunocompromised patient? A. Human herpes virus. And it D. Epstein-Barr virus. C. Human papillomavirus. D. Cytomegalovirus. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is which type of viral genome is directly used as a template for protein synthesis in the host cell? A. Double-stranded DNA. B. Single-stranded RNA. D. Double-stranded RNA. D. Single-stranded RNA DNA. So the correct option is single-stranded RNA. Thanks for joining me. I hope these NMDK MCQs help you sharpen your biology knowledge. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice question. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.